Welcome back, everyone. We finally passed the TopStep Combine. It took us longer than expected. There was so much volatility with the Trump markets, and then volatility slowed down. But when it was slowing down, I was already in such a bad mindset, and that took a couple of weeks to rebuild, I guess. Now we're back to ourselves, and we were able to size up and add to positions. Some good sessions, a couple of winning trades, a couple of losing trades. Got an eval over the line. Now we have a couple more almost over the line. It just goes to show, though, keep doing what you're doing. Sometimes you're going to be faced with adversity, but at the end of the day, just stick to your plan, stick to what usually works for you. Also, let me know if you like the trade reviews and the live trades. I'm trying something different this week, so if you like it, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, enjoy the video. Thanks for watching, and hope to talk to you soon. Also, our Discord is starting to grow slowly, so get in the Discord, connect with some traders, set yourself up for success. It's free accountability. There's a lot of traders with great experience and lots of levels of knowledge. So it's a good community, it's chill. We trade there every day. So yeah, hop in, get on it, and connect with us.
Order filled.
Are we gonna get a retest?
I think it's coming. Oi.
Oh yeah. Yes, it doesn't do that.
The market is open. Order filled.
Oh, wait, what? I'm so confused. What happened there?
It completely died, brother.
No, I understand it died, but it just took me out of the trade. And
Yeah, it was down at 560.
no, I understand that, but it didn't, I made money on that trade.
What?
What the fuck just happened?
How does that make sense?
It doesn't, bro, but it says on that trade I made $100.
Yeah.
I saw it go to minus 500, and then it just says here my long was plus $87. That's so weird. But it went I saw my stop loss get hit, but it just shows I made money.
That's interesting.
But we're getting a retest. I'd wait for an open price to get hit, and then I'd take it. 49, 48.
Oh.
Literally right now.
Oh, I mean,
Yeah, me too.
Order filled.
so the lows.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm in full size now.
Order filled.
I took half off there as well. I still have half of my position running.
I'm happy with that.
Order filled.
Alright, great
GG.
trade. GG.
Yeah, GG.
This is a trade I took yesterday. This is it on the 1 minute. So first went down on the 15-minute time frame, and we marked our liquidity areas. So we had this area marked here. We were waiting for price to tap into this area, either break it. All we were looking for is either for price to break and retest it, or price to grab liquidity and reverse. So on the 5 minute, we got a clear sweep here. You can see here just a massive wick. After that, we went down to the 2 minute, and we were looking for a fair value gap. So we had a fair value gap form here. So then once we got the sweep, we got a hardish rejection. Once we closed below the fair value gap, we were interested, and then I saw that we were just chilling around open price, so we waited for price to close below open price. Once we got price to close below open price, we took a starter position. Once we had price close below this second fair value gap, I added to full size. Then I took half of the position off at these lows here, and then I let the rest of the position run. My full TP initially was at this level here, which was the pre-market lows, but I trimmed it around here just to be in the consistency, within the consistency terms of TopStep. So all in, this was about an 85 point trade from entry to exit. Almost zero drawdown trade. It was absolutely perfect. Had a good session yesterday, took a A+ setup, and then I was just kind of looking at it and I was like, you know what, I'm going to start reviewing all my trades. Not all my trades, but all the big trades. So winners and losers, explaining why I entered, why I exited, just to give you a bit more on what I actually look at, how I look at the markets, what I look for in the markets. So yeah, I'm just going to make a quick trade recap video now and start uploading them weekly, if not daily, depending on how we're getting on. Here we have a pre-workout meal, some chicken sausages, some chicken and some boiled eggs with a nice latte. Nothing special here, just getting in some good quality protein. I hit a back session here. This is the only clip I got. My phone is still a bit ropey, so that you can see the quality here isn't great, but didn't get much footage on this day. And then we went out for a feast. So me and a couple of my mates went out to dinner. It's like this barbecue spot, and we got pretty much everything on the menu. This was unbelievable. There's lamb, chicken, beef, pork belly, pork, steak, like it was a spread. We shared everything and it was phenomenal. And here you can see me having a bad session. I mean, I show all my sessions anyways, but basically I rushed into my session after dinner and I just got quickly locked out of my account. Obviously it wasn't as fast as I should have here, but it was just order after order and I got locked out. Now we go into some muscle ups. This was me hitting a set of 4, which is phenomenal because I am still very new to these. I'm trying to get used to flying over the bar, but it is what it is. But yeah, that's a massive win for me. My hands felt like they were going to fall off me as well. Now we're slowly getting more horizontal with these, but these are the pike push-ups. And the goal is a handstand push-up, so maybe we'll see that in about a year's time. And we hit a PB. Here's 40 kilos for 3 pull-ups. Wasn't going as high or as low as I'd like to on these, so I am going to count it, but the goal is to get full extension and full flexion on these. Here we also got a beautiful sunset and a Mexican. I didn't eat too well this week, but I was getting my protein in, that's the main thing. Probably short below 80, I guess.
Yeah, I agree with you. Not before that.
Yeah.
It's a big stop loss though. We have to move in literally 8 minutes.
Stop loss would be what? Nearly 60. I mean, you can get away with 40 if it's tight. Like it looks really nice on the 2 minute.
All right, fuck it.
Just waiting for a close here, and then I'm in.
Order starting half.
Yeah, same.
Order filled.
A bit premature, but that's okay.
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Order filled.
Yeah, that looks good on 2 minute too.
Yep.
Here we fucking go.
Where's your TP?
Give me a second. My TP is right above the next zone.
Yeah, same.
Under lows. I'll probably take just. Come on. Go on.
It's deciding.
Yeah. It looks weak though.
It does look weak.
Good trade.
Yeah, lovely.
I like that trade. 50 minutes looks super good. Everything's good.
Patient.
Got good room. Yeah, that's perfect. Really good trade.
Yeah, my TP's at 21.
Yeah.
Where's yours?
I put it at 21, but if we go to 28 or 30, I'm happy with that too.
Yeah. Just a bit worried now about volatility coming into news.
Yeah, we have 6 more minutes too, so
Yeah.
if it goes too far, I'm fucking out. It looks great though.
No, it looks beautiful. Okay, now it's looking kind of scary.
looks like shit.
It's quick. It's funny how that changes so quick.
Yeah.
Do I take half off? No, it still looks good.
Yeah. Alright, 4 minutes.
Big push down now would be beautiful. There we go. That's the pop we're looking for.
Taking a third up here.
Order filled.
Okay, stop's gone to break even.
Yeah, I'm doing the same.
Come on, top that.
One more push. One last push. One last. Come on. Come on.
Come on, baby.
Come on.
You know you want it.
Edging.
Hedging. What's the time?
Order filled.
There we
Order
go.
filled.
GG, bro.
GG.
Very good hold.
Yeah, super good. That was a sexy bitch.
Yay, we passed an e-ball.
GG.
Just one, but still. Happy with that.
Yeah, good job.
Yeah, GG. I hope you're liking the new gym as well. It's super aesthetic. Here we hit a PB on searchers, 130 kilos for, I believe it was 5 reps. This probably set at 2, which was 4 reps. And then here we've got some Cossack squats. I can finally do these without a medicine ball to sit down on, which is a phenomenal progression for me considering I am not too mobile yet, but you can see I'm losing my balance here and there, but they're coming together nicely.
Order filled.
No. Yeah, just a little starter position.
Will you add the trades?
I'll add if it continues. I'll cut it short if it doesn't.
Order filled.
I'm in full size.
Here we go.
Yeah, getting a bit of a push up now. I just like, where am I going
It's sexy.
here?
Where's your take profit? High.
Usually I take it at highs, but I'm just thinking, do I like swing a bit higher and just try to pass the accounts here? I may take off half a highs and then leave runners.
What would highs be? Would it be like 2 or?
Maybe exactly 2 or like, never really just runs through highs, like.
Order filled.
Took it off there.
Break even?
Plus quarter. Now we're hitting some RDLs for a PB. Here's 140 for a set of 5. Form's really good, speed's good. I'm now back into another session.
Yeah, this still, if we inverse that at 100, I feel like it's a valid long.
Yeah, I actually like that a lot.
Yeah. Maybe
Yeah.
like a little bit
That'll be
wider
above.
stop loss.
That'll be above open price as well. Alright, I'm in.
Order filled. Order filled.
Taking a starter.
Yeah, same.
Order filled.
Taking one more. I'm gonna go one more.
Yeah, nice.
Order
Yeah,
filled.
Yes, that's a good close. That's a super good close. Alright, I'm happy with that trade then.
Yeah, it's fucking looking very good. I'm chilling now.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 50-minute time frame. We need to push up if we're gonna look
Yeah,
good
I
in 2
see
minutes.
that.
Alright, I'm out.
Yeah.
I like that trade though.
Yeah, I'm still in. I'm just gonna let this close.
Yeah, great job. Fucking hell. That sucks.
Unlucky. Well, too soon to speak, bro, but that's that FVG that I can't run through. That's why we're fucking hanging up here.
Order filled.
Alright. That's 1 hour down.
Order filled. Order filled.
Please, baby, come on. Oh, this looks perfect for continuation.
Order filled.
Halfway there. Living on a prayer. Make my hand. Come on. Stop to break even. If we're getting a rejection here off a level, I am just going to close this bitch, but hopefully we hit it full TP. It's looking good though. 78, 5 more points. Let's go. If we hit below 60, I'm gone. 10 more points.
Order filled.
All right, that'll do it for now. Oh, that's just finished up there. I actually ended up breaking one of my rules. I really wanted to get these evals over the line, so I basically had my take profit in a zone which I would like basically expect a rejection from, or like a little liquidity grab or whatever. But basically I always have my take profit slightly below zones, but because I needed a couple of extra points, I targeted a little bit higher than I should have, which I knew I was doing, but I was just wanted to finish them on Friday. Do you know how it is sometimes? But this is how close I got to it. It's hilarious. And then I trailed it anyways because I just wanted to finish up for the weekend, I guess. And the position size got so big because I added twice that I didn't want to go into drawdown once I got the push up initially. So yeah, I'm finished up on the day. It's still a green day, but I guess I'll just finish them next week. Just goes to show like the rules are there for a reason. If I stuck to my normal profit, I would only have to do a small trade next week. Now I have to do probably 2 trades, which is still fine, but you know how it is. So I should have, I already got out now, but I would have eventually hit take profit anyways. So I should have got out at 40 points, targeted 45 and missed. And I just looked up back at my footage there and it was so agonizingly close. Like, it would have locked us out at like 53k and we just missed it by $100. I mean, it's normal, but it's just annoying sometimes. And yeah, my phone is still acting up a bit. You can see the quality isn't great, but yeah, that's it. GG.